Hi everyone, I'm Andrea. I'm the hearing instrument specialist at the Right Canada Stratford location. Today we're going to talk about what can you expect when you come for a hearing test. Come on in. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come into the office and you're going to meet our lovely office administration, Tammy. She's going to check you in, take your information, and let me know when you're ready. Once we got that information, we're going to go back to the testing room and you're going to have a seat here. I'm going to go through your intake form. I'm going to ask you any hearing related issues maybe that you've been having. If you have any questions, we can talk about that as well. First thing I'm going to do after that is I'm going to take a look inside your ears because I want to make sure they're nice and clear. If they're not clear, full of wax, there's a possibility I can take the wax out the same day. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this machine here. This is called a tympanometer. This is just going to check the function of your middle ear. So it's going to make sure that the bones in your middle ear are functioning properly and make sure that the pressure of everything is good. After that, we're going to go in the testing booth. Come right this way. So we're going to get you to have a seat here. I'm going to get you all set up, put some inserts into your ear. Going to play some beeps and go through the test. We'll also check some speech, make sure you're understanding speech properly. And if I do find that there is a hearing loss, then we can discuss what the next step would be, whether that be hearing aids or possible medical referral. So nothing to be afraid of. Don't wait. Take care.